More delicate surfaces require equally delicate treatment. The FILA Marble Restorer Kit restores shine to marble dulled by acid substances. FILA Marble Restorer is a complete kit for restoring marble. 3 pads, 1 sponge, gloves and 2 products. FILA Marble Shine and Formula Marmo. Carefully follow these simple steps for professional results. Start by sanding. Put on the gloves. Wet the surface with a little water and using the FILA Marble 1 yellow pad, rub with circular movements for 1 minute. Then change to the FILA Marble 2 white pad and rub harder for a few minutes. Finally, do the same with the third FILA Marble 3 pad, extending the rubbed surface outwards slightly. Dry with a cloth. Then polish. Shake the bottle of FILA Marble Shine and pour a small amount, adding a little water to thin the cream. Rub hard with the white sponge for at least 2 minutes. Finally, rub the Formula Marmo polish into the surface for a more even finish. One, two, three. Polished like new. Note: not all acid-related stains are the same. Read the instruction booklet to find the correct procedure for your kind of stain. FILA Marble Restorer is ideal for restoring kitchen and bathroom countertops and can also be used on damaged window and floor sills. It also effectively restores shine to dull and worn areas. It works on all kinds of marble and polished marble agglomerates. FILA Marble Restorer restores the sheen to marble dulled by acid substances. Available from FILA stockists. Download